Here, guys, it will be a little bit wild, so be careful, okay? So now we need to ask the user about the guessing the letter, and after that we need to check if the letter is in the random word, okay? So let's go. At first, I would like to point that in a random word there is, for example, Harry, okay? Hidden word is a list of underscores, so it goes like this. We have Harry 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5, and the printed word will be 1 2 3 4 5, okay? Because we need to know where is what. So now I would like to create a while cycle. So we will guess again. So it's while cycle. We don't know how many times the user will guess, so it can be for cycle. It has to be a while cycle. So while the underscore is in hidden word, so it means if the hidden word there is one underscore, or 1 2 3 and so on and so on. So if some underscore is in a hidden word, so it means that we didn't guess everything correctly. So it means the game has to go on, or we lost because we are run out of lives, okay? So lives are empty. So if something in the underscore is in a hidden word, what does it mean? So we need to ask the user to guess a letter. So here will be input, and we will enter a letter to guess, and I will put here a new line, okay? So it will be in a new line, and if the maybe you noticed here that everything is a small letters, so it means if somebody put here a big letter, so I will convert it to lowercase, so it means the letter will be lower. So if somebody put here, for example, A, so the result will be small a, okay? I hope you understand, guys. And here we will store it in guess, and now I need to find out if the guess is in our random word. So it means, for example, that our guess or our random word is Harry, okay? For example, and here the guess will be A, okay? So what does that mean? It means we need to create a for cycle, and here will be index in range, and range it means it will generate the letter, the numbers. So from 0 to what? So the index is 0 1 2 3 4, but we don't have the end. So and what's the end, guys? What's the end? So if we have a Harry, so the end is, so we have 0 1 2 3 4, so the end is 5. It's correct because 5 is not included, so it goes like 0 1 2 3 4, and that's it. So it means 5 times. That's perfect. And in index there is store 0 1 2 3 4, but here I have a 5 because the word is Harry, but it can be something different, correct? It doesn't have to be Harry, it can be Ronald, Albus, Hermione. So it means we will not store 5, but length of random word, because if you print a length of random word, it means how many letters is there, and it put here number 5, okay? Because length goes 1 2 3 4 5, and indexes goes 0 1 2 3 4, okay? Be careful because length is different from indexes, because indexes there goes from 0. Length, there is no length 0, correct? So there is length 1 2 3 and so on, okay? So here we 0 1 2 3 4, and now I will ask if guess is equal to what? We need to put here a random word, but I need the random word, the Harry, compare every single letter. So it means I will put here no index, correct? Because if the index is 0, for example, so it means here will be H, and the guess, we suppose that it will be A. So A is equal to H, not it isn't. So it will not not run. Okay. So what will be here? Or maybe I will repeat it. Okay. So here we will guess, for example, A, and random word is Harry. So it means here will be 0 and length of random word. So it's Harry, so it will be number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here will be store 0 in the first cycle, 1 in the second cycle, and so on. So now random word 0 is H. H is equal to A? No, it isn't. After that, in index there will be 1. So random word 1 is what? A. Is A equal to A? Yes, it is. So it goes like this code here. Okay, and after that index will be 2. So guess is A is equal to random word 2, and the 2 is R. This R, the first R. So is A equal to R? No, it isn't, and so on and so on. So it means the guess from the user we will compare with every letter in this word. Okay, and if the guess is correct, so it means in Harry is A, and that's true, it's here, correct? So we will write, take a hidden word, it means this, take the index which we guess correctly, so the A will be, for example, 1, okay, because 1 means A, so hidden word 1, it means this underscore, and put there a guess, it means put there A, so it goes like this, put there A. Okay, so now I would like to print here a hidden word. Sorry guys, I will comment this out and just print the hidden word. Okay, so I will run it. Just a second, I will clear it. I will run it, enter a letter to guess, for example A, and you can see the A is here. Okay, if I will run it again, sorry, I will clear it again, I will run it again, and I will put here A as well, so we will see. Oh, okay, it's still there. I will run it again, A. Okay, the A is here, because usually there is some A. Okay, here is A, here, perfect. Every name has an A there. So now you guys, I hope you understand. So if I will run it one more time, put it here A, so I would guess, for example, H, oh, it's there. R is there. Y, enter is there. Perfect. So it works. So now the printed word or hidden word can be like this, for example. Okay. So guys, I know it's a little bit maybe crazy. It's a little bit difficult, but I hope that you understand.